We'll take a run up the dike. It's just a wee run to see how the camera's working, how the microphone's working. Just in case you're wondering, it's the King's birthday today. That's why there's shows. You'll maybe see people dressed in orange. Bit of a shame when you come out here on a Sunday and it's quiet. There's some nice corners on this road. Now, I've not put the Hero 8 or the Insta on the bike because I'm just wanting to test this camera and this microphone, see how it sounds. Should sound alright, but we'll see. Now this is the GoPro 13 with a media mod. And one of the chin mounts that you can buy for AliExpress. It cost me 89 cents. Just to test out how the camera works on the helmet, and then I'll see, maybe I'll buy one of the proper chin mounts. But I must say this works fine. I was a bit worried it would get in the way. Well, it's not the best of weather of the day, but it's alright to test the camera. It's supposed to be a nice couple of days in the weekends. Just for the people that don't know, this is Friday night, and Friday afternoon. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, nice one. Somebody doesn't know. It's a nice wee corner if you're on a racer. Ah, my brother calls them puddle jumpers. This is what you call a puddle jumper, brother. Look, it's only, look how busy it is. And it only takes about 5 or 6 cars at a time. Nice one, nice one. Do, 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 do. When I pass horses, I always pull the clutch in and let the accelerator go. Don't know why. I do know why. I don't know if everybody does that. I do it so that I don't scare a horse. Not that I've got a loud exhaust, but every little helps, doesn't it? Many down there.